Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be going over how to reduce the rational expression x squared plus 6x minus 7 divided by x plus 7 to its lowest terms. This process involves simplifying the expression by factoring and then canceling out any common factors. So let's dive in and start simplifying. To solve the problem of reducing the rational expression x squared plus 6x minus 7 divided by x plus 7 to its lowest terms, we will start with step 1. In this step, we alter the expression by factoring the numerator. First, we need to look at the numerator of our expression, which is x squared plus 6x minus 7. The goal is to factor this quadratic expression into two binomials. To do this, we look for two numbers that multiply to give us the constant term, which is minus 7, and add up to give us the middle coefficient, which is 6. The two numbers that fit this requirement are 7 and minus 1. Therefore, we can rewrite x squared plus 6x minus 7 as x plus 7 times x minus 1. So the factored form of the numerator is x plus 7 times x minus 1. Now our rational expression has been altered to the following: x plus 7 times x minus 1 divided by x plus 7. In this step, we have transformed the numerator from a quadratic expression into a product of two binomials, which will make it easier to simplify the expression in the subsequent steps. Step 2 involves simplifying the expression obtained from step 1. We start with the altered expression from the previous step. That expression is x plus 7 times x minus 1 divided by x plus 7. In this step, we observe that x plus 7 appears in both the numerator and the denominator. Since x plus 7 is present in both places, we can cancel it out. This works because any non-zero number or expression divided by itself is equal to 1. By canceling out x plus 7 from both the numerator and the denominator, we are left with the simplified expression x minus 1. Thus, the rational expression x squared plus 6x minus 7 divided by x plus 7 reduces to x minus 1. This is the final step, and our expression is now in its lowest terms. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.